Hello, welcome to my channel, VST. In this session we will understand how to install SQL Server. How can we use it? First of all, you need to check your operating system, so right-click on this PC or my computer, go to Property. Here, you can see that system type is 64-bit operating. Now, download the SQL Server 2014 from Microsoft official website, open Google, type SQL Server 2014. You need to download two files from here, Express64bit/64nu.exe and this Management Studio x64nu.exe. I have already downloaded these two files. Open first file, SQL Express. Follow my step for installation. Just change the SQL name here if you want. Now, open second file of Management Studio and follow step. Select Add feature to an existing instance of SQL Server 2014. SQL Server and Management Studio has been installed. Open Start and search for SQL Server 2014 Management Studio. This is your SQL Server name for database connection.